Welcome to this episode of Education Fundas. Today we shall talk about environmental science as a career. Environmental scientists look at pollution and other environmental problems and come up with solutions regarding it. They provide solutions to some of the challenging problems like causes and effects of earthquakes, managing waste and pollution, identification and evaluation of alternative energy sources if oil becomes scarce, and so on. A good environmental scientist requires computer skills, knowledge about latest tools and technology for studying the earth, good written and communication skills, language proficiency skills, analytical skills, and so on. Candidates need to have 10+2 in the science field. Further, a bachelor's as well as a master's degree in environmental science will give an in-depth understanding of the subject. Environmental scientists work in offices and laboratories and often work in combination with technical personnel in companies as well. On an average, an environmental scientist can expect 20 to 25,000 as a fresher depending upon the work sector.